Hello friends, welcome again to Tech Learning YouTube channel. Friends, many of you people have listened about the FRLS cables. But do you know what exactly they are? If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe right now and don't forget to press bell icon. In this way, you will never miss our upcoming videos. So let's get started. Why to use FRLS cables? The fire is biggest social issue around the world. The most of fire accidents in buildings and industries are occurred due to electrical faults. The fire accidents may occur in cable galleries and other vulnerable areas like power plants and other commercial complexes. The temperature withstand capacity of ordinary PVC used in cables is 70 degrees centigrade. If we are using normal PVC cable, then in case of fire, PVC burns freely and fire becomes self-sustaining. It is very dangerous situation due to burning of PVC. A dense corrosive and toxic smoke is also emitted, which can reduce the visibility in the area of fire. This makes the situation more difficult for emergency services team to deal with the situation. So the solution is use of fire retardant cable. Fire retardant cable can minimize the panic during the fire. The emergency services can do their job efficiently during the fire and can avoid the damage of properties and can save lots of life. What are FRLS cables? FRLS cables stands for Flame Retardant Low Smoke Cables. Flame retardant low smoke cables are manufactured using specially developed FRLS compound for sheathing material of cables. FRLS cables are designed to resist the combustion and to limit the fire propagation. These FRLS cables sheathings are resistant to ignition and flame propagation. The smoke emission during the fire is very low. By using FRLS cables, the loss of life and property can be reduced significantly. In case of fire in plants, cable galleries, public places, hotels, airports, or any other area where cables are being used. Advantage of FRLS cables. FRLS cables are flame retardant and hence they stop the propagation of fire due to cables. FRLS cables produce less amount of smokes and toxic gases when they burn. Due to lower smoke and gas emission, the visibility issue are reduced and people can escape faster from the fire area. The person stuck in the fire area can survive longer due to lower smoke emission. The reduced smoke emission help emergency services to work efficiently. FRLS cables release the lower fume acids during the fire.